Welcome, in front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and I will show you how you can check typing insights. So we have to go for the settings, find devices, go for typing, and next we can find here the typing insights, how AI has helped us. So click here to enter, and as you can see here we got the autocomplete words, suggested words, keystrokes, spelling corrections, swipe words. Of course you can turn it on or turn it off, you have to decide if you want to store that data, but I think it's very interesting things. You can enter here after 1 year or 6 months and you can check how AI help us. So if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.